Snoring may lead to serious diseases, higher stroke risk, and poor sleep. Snoring affects lungs health. Snoring places stress on the heart and increases risk of many diseases. Obesity risk is 61% higher. Sexual dysfunction risk is 80% higher. Yuwell Cpap, helping you get rid of snoring. No spoiler air duct design. High performance brushless DC motor. Intelligent data management. Heating and humidification with 6 levels. CSA detection. Whenever you are outdoors, indoors, or with your family, Yuwell Cpap guards your high-quality sleep every night. Yuwell, we love life.